How's it going, guys, and welcome back to the Faulks Tech YouTube channel. So in this video I have a pretty interesting and maybe a fun video for you guys. I think you will like this. I hope you will. One thing that many people have wondered about and many people have wanted since the update is how to record your screen, or the ability to record your screen without having to pay for an app. Well, I found an app that's pretty nice. Only thing that's required is a Bluetooth keyboard to click the button that is on the UI overlay here. And I want to show you how to get the app first, and then I'll show you how to use it and give you a test video of the app as well. So to get the video, like I mentioned before, we need to plug in the Bluetooth keyboard, and we're going to be heading to the Aptoid market. You can also get this from any other market here, so this isn't just, I always use Aptoid market, it's just my preference, but you can get it from anywhere. You want to click the search bar, type in DU screen recorder. There it is right there. So I'm just going to hover my mouse over it, click it. It's this first one right here. Alright guys, so we're going to launch the app here. We're going to click the open button. And you'll see this. Now, I want to go ahead and say this. If you do not see this and it comes up in a mobile phone type format, then I would recommend you do this. This will make your life much easier, especially when you launch apps that are meant for phones. You'll want to click this magnifier here. Type in set orientation. This is a must-have for the Shield, and I'd recommend anyone that's planning on running third-party apps meant for mobile devices to go ahead and install this and set it up. So the one I use is this one because it's rated 5 stars. I know it's old, but it works just fine. So you want to click it. Install it, open it, and set your orientation to landscape. After you set that, guys, that will make all apps, any app, regardless of type, come up in the landscape format. That's why when I launched that, it came in landscape mode. When you launch it, it will come into vertical until you set that orientation. So what we want to do now, after you launch it, you can then hit the circle button on your normal small keyboard, or excuse me, your normal small controller. That'll bring you to the home screen. If you can see this right here, there's a little orange circle here. If we click it, it comes up. I can do live. I haven't tested live. I can do record. And you got more apps here. First thing I'd recommend you guys do, click this here, turn the watermark off, otherwise it'll have a DU recorder watermark right here in the bottom. Once that's done, come over here, we can click record. It'll give you a countdown, and now it has begun. So from here, I can come over here and scroll around, and I'll show you that it works. So let's open up some games here. Let's open up Nvidia games. Probably won't play any games. I don't want to show you my mad skills and blow your mind. I'll get a call from any type of esports people won't hire me. So I'm not going to show you any games because I will just completely destroy them. And yeah, so here, as you can see, all my games I have, at least for my coming from my computer. I'm going to hit the home button here, and now I'm going to stop the recording here. Highlight my mouse over it. If I can see it here, there it is. Click stop. Alright guys, so I stopped it. I'm now going to open up my recordings here. So I'm going to click this 4 bars. My recording is right here. So I'm going to click it. And it's playing now. Now you can't hear it, but it also picked up my audio through my controller. So it has voice recording as well. As you can see, I'm just scrolling through from what I did a moment ago while I was recording it. And there are a few spots here and there that has some green. I could probably change the settings as far as how it's recording and things like that. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. We'll go ahead and delete these. Delete. Delete. Now honestly, I was going to show you guys another video for how to live stream. But I didn't realize this supports live streaming. So I want to give this a try and see if it's going to work. Alright guys, sorry about that. I had a few technical difficulties. I tried my original channel, but it doesn't support live streaming because I never enabled that. But we're on my Faulks Tech channel. I've signed up through DU Recorder. I want to show you the test stream. So if you see this test stream while I'm recording this video, that's where it came from. I'm going to click start. Alright, so it says we're live. Let me open up my YouTube channel here. Alright, if you're watching this for any reason, I'm doing a test stream. Let's see if this is going to work. Just move it around here. Alrighty, so let's kill the stream. Okay, so that was the test for the stream. I don't know if it went through. Let's give it a test here. Stream? Yeah. Now granted, I'm not gonna lie, my internet sucks here. So get off this. My internet sucks pretty bad here. So of course, because of that, the stream isn't gonna work very well here. But if you follow my steps, if you do everything that I just did, you can record your own videos, upload them, and stream them from this DU app here. Now, I did say upload them, so let's do a quick record and show you how to upload this video. Alright guys, so I went through the options here, and it doesn't look like it's going to allow us to upload the video from this app here. But what's cool is you can record your videos from this app. You can live stream your videos from this app. To upload it, they will require some additional apps. You could do quite a few things. If you want to see how to upload a video to YouTube from your Shield, comment on this video and let me know. I will make a video. I know how to do it from here, just to install another app. But that'll be it for another video. I think we went through quite a bit today. Alright guys, going through the steps of how to do this. Step 1, install Bluetooth keyboard for ease of use for Aptoide. Step 2, open Aptoide. Step 3, look for set orientation. Install set orientation. Set orientation to landscape. The next step will be to install the screen recorder. And then from there, after you open it, it will launch. Since you got your orientation set, it will launch into the landscape mode. If it doesn't launch into landscape mode, come over here to settings, make sure this is 1080p, and make sure video orientation is set to landscape. That's right, and you can also do further setting changes, such as setting the FPS, frame rate, things like that. But this video, if you watch this video all the way through, you'll have the steps needed to record and stream videos to multiple platforms. Now, recording and uploading are two different things. You can record, upload, you'll need to watch another video that I'll supply if the demand is high enough. But guys, that is it. That's all you need to do. This video is a little bit lengthy, and most of it is just me talking. But if you're interested in this, I hope this helped you. If you like this video, go ahead and like it. If you dislike it, go ahead and hit the dislike. If you don't mind, tell me why, what I did wrong, or what didn't you like about the video. Maybe I talked too much. Not sure. It doesn't really matter. I will read that and I'll comment back. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time. And goodbye.